How to change your address on Meesho. First of all, launch the Meesho application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you land on your home page, tap on the account icon at the bottom right. Then tap on your account name from the top. Once you're here, scroll down and under city you can change your address. You can clear this and add your new address that you want to save. Under that you can select the state as well. And once done, tap on save button. And with that, now your information along with your address has been saved successfully. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.